Hey. You, Mom.
Yeah? Hi.
You don't stop working.
Nope. I've been up since 6.
I know. So have I.
There's always work to do on a farm.
I guess.
Welcome to my world.
I think you're crazy.
You think? I know I'm crazy. I'm going to have cheese and crackers now.
Okay. I started working on the farm today. And we started at 6:30 a.m. this morning.
Only because I was scared to wake you up at 6.
What do you mean scared? I was up before you.
Oh.
Remember I was out and about doing stuff?
Yeah, right.
I ran into town at 6 a.m. to do something. But now it is 7:24. See that? 7:24, Mom?
I didn't even put anything in the microwave and Coco's making the microwave noise.
Mom, that was entirely random.
I am random. Everything about me is random. It's about my attention span.
Oh, we were talking about the time.
The time when? Like the time you did what?
Okay. No, I just pointed to the stove to show what time it is, and then you started talking about the microwave.
Oh, because Coco made the microwave sound. Our house is a mess. Don't show people this.
She's got a short attention span, don't worry.
Do I have an attention span?
I don't know at this point,
That's
Mom.
assuming that I have one.
Yeah.
Can you give me a napkin?
No, I'm on break. You're not the boss right now.
I'm always off.
I'm an overachiever when I'm working, so he had a whole roll, not just one napkin, a whole roll.
I heard that your dad left the teenagers out there working on the fence alone. And these are the teenagers that made the fence do this. Woo! Look like the Nile. And he's left them to work alone. It may be really scary fence lines.
Are you talking about the Nile River?
Yeah, doesn't it go back and forth? Oh, the Snake River. Woo! Back and forth. Where's my phone? Are you still talking?
Yes!
Oh, well, hand me my phone, then I'll shut up.
Okay. I keep trying to talk in the vlog, and Mom's like, hand me this, hand me that.
Hand
No.
that to the cat.
No.
Not the cat, the bird.
No.
The bird likes cheese.
Mom, she is 3 feet that way.
But the bird wants cheese and I'm eating it. Coco, do you want this cheese? Say, Hunter, bring me the cheese. Come on, Hunter, just give the bird some cheese. Coco wants cheese, huh?
Mom, you look insane right now.
I am insane. Oh, thank you. See, Coco's gonna like that cheese. Coco.
Is cheese safe for birds?
It's our favorite thing.
Is it safe for birds?
Yes. It's not apple seeds or avocados.
Okay.
Coco.
So we started working at 6:30 in the morning, and now it's 7:30 in the afternoon. That's 13 hours of work. But then you also have to minus like an hour for lunch, so that's 12 hours of work. And we got done with this big old project, putting barn wood in the tack room, and then she goes, and then you're gonna come and help us with the fence.
I'm still gonna paint the pergola and do the fence tonight.
You're insane.
What's so bad?
I don't get that. My bones are aching.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna die.
Probably.
Is there other animals out?
Well, both cows are out.
I know, why? Someone leave the gate open?
Well, that back one's open. Well, they're not supposed to be able to get in that field. The animals that I see that are out over here, they don't really run away, but it's definitely weird that they are out. How you doing? Alright, you ready to get back in the field? Because you need to. These are cows. If you didn't know, that's what a cow looks like. Go. Alright, go on, guys. Thank you.
What? You had to dig that out?
Yeah! Hey, now you're in the vlog, Dad.
Hello, vlog world.
Hello.